Hi guys, today I'll teach you how to make an awesome Lego Beyblade. So there are two optional steps, and if you want, you can do it, and if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. So this is going to be how the Lego Beyblade looks like. So these are the pieces you'll need. And as I said, they're optional pieces. So these are the optional ones. If you want, you can use them, and if you don't want, you don't have to use them. So you'll need to start with the base. So we're going to need a big platform, and then we're going to need a smaller platform that goes on the bottom. Like this. And then you're going to need to flip it over and add a piece like this over here. So there should be there should be two dots sticking out, 1 and 2. They're the ones that should be sticking out like this. Then, same over here. Here and here. That's how it should look like. And then, you need 2 of these. So you add one over here. And it should look like this. Same here. That's how the top design should look like. And here comes the first optional step. If you want, you could put these two here and here. Oops. And here. And it's up to you to decide. Then you're gonna need this square piece, kind of like a cube, and put it here. It should be in the exact center. And it should be touching this and this. So then it's gonna be like this. It's gonna look like this. And then flip it over. And then you're gonna need like this. These are not together. Like, there's a piece I put on the bottom. Like, you know, this. So it's a really good Beyblade bottom. And seriously, I hate building Legos with one hand. It's the worst thing you could imagine. What the heck? Okay. Now here comes another optional step. So if you want, you could do this. You're gonna need this piece, right? And put it here. And then you're gonna put the other here. Then you're gonna need 2 of these. Does it have to be the same color? And put it like this, facing this way. Then another here. And then that's how you make it. So if you put this and this on, it's going to be a defense type. And if you didn't put them on, it's going to be a balance type. So this is how it looks like. Bye, guys.